to the 5th edition of the Bulldog Newscast.
Here's a short clip about the bleeding control kits in the classrooms.
There are now bleeding control kits found in classrooms in case of accidents. Inside, you will find instructions. First, make sure you put gloves on. Then, if it is a smaller cut, use a gauze pad to cover it. Make sure to apply pressure. For bigger cuts, fill the wound with square gauze. Next, find the tourniquet, which is in a small box. Take the tourniquet and buckle it above the wound and pull it tight. Mark the time on the tourniquet with a permanent marker. Then wrap the wound. And now your bleeding has stopped.
On Monday, the 8th graders celebrated Punctuation Day. Here's a short video.
Okay, today, Monday, September 24th, is National Punctuation Day. So we thought we would celebrate it a little bit, and just to show how powerful punctuation is, because it helps to add clarity to our writing, helps us to understand our reading, and most importantly, it saves lives. Do we want to invite Grandma to dinner, or do we want to have Grandma for dinner? So one of the things we did was divided into two different groups, and some of them illustrated the sentence without punctuation, and then the other group illustrated the sentence with punctuation and showed the difference.
I'm here with a group of 8th graders. What's your favorite punctuation mark?
My favorite punctuation mark is the asterisk.
Mine's the exclamation mark.
Mine's the exclamation mark.
Mine's the question mark.
Mine's the period. Mine's an exclamation mark.
Okay, and why is that your guys' favorite?
The asterisk is my favorite because it kind of leads to a deeper meaning in a sentence.
I like the exclamation mark because it shows excitement.
I like the exclamation mark because it gives excitement to the sentence.
I like question marks because they're cool to draw.
I like periods because it's easy to draw.
I like exclamation marks because it just ends a sentence.
Why is punctuation important?
Saves lives every day.
It adds clarity to sentences.
It helps you understand the sentence.
It helps save your grandma's life.
Thanks. Here's an interview with Ivy explaining tonight's cancer game.
Hi, I'm here with Ivy. Ivy, what's going on Friday?
On Friday, there's a cancer benefit game against Ada. There's going to be a couple raffles with items that businesses donated. And all proceeds will go to a cheerleader named Morgan Claude from Xena High School.
And then when are you doing donations?
During 5th and 6th period lunches, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week, and we will also be taking donations at the game on Friday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next Wednesday, October 3rd, is the first career chat of the year. It is about IT and communications.
On Tuesday was the first chess club meeting. Here's some clips.
Out to base with the weather.
Bulldogs. It's starting to cool down, as you can see by the weather outside currently, but it's going to keep decreasing over the weekend. Starting off today, we'll have a high of 74 degrees. As it moving into the night, you'll want to get your jackets out as they'll drop down to 49 degrees. And then moving into Saturday, they'll increase a little bit, but still stay relatively low and cloudy with a high of 66 degrees. And then moving into Sunday, we'll stay about the same temperature and cloudy at 66 degrees. But be careful, as in the evening, it'll start to cool down rapidly. CGHS is hosting an EMS ride-along program. For anyone interested, please check the office for additional info. And now we're going to go back to the
And what are you going to carve into your pumpkin this year?
A face.
Emily, what's your favorite fall activity?
Going to the corn maze.
Sarah, corn maze or haunted cornfield?
Haunted cornfield.
Logan, what's your favorite fall activity?
Carving pumpkins, I guess. I don't know.
Corn maze or haunted cornfield?
Probably cornfield.
Cody, what are you carving into your pumpkin this year?
A football.
I'm here with Bubba. Bubba, would you rather go to the corn maze or the haunted cornfield?
Haunted cornfield.
Me too. I'm here with Ezra. Ezra, would you rather go to the haunted cornfield or the corn maze?
Corn maze. My mom won't let me go to the haunted cornfield.
Oh, that stinks. I'm here with Ray Ray. Ray Ray, would you rather go to the haunted cornfield or the corn maze?
Haunted cornfield.
I'm here with Braylon. Braylon, would you rather go to the haunted cornfield or the corn maze?
Haunted cornfield.
Hello and welcome to sports.
Volleyball won Monday night against Shawnee. On Tuesday, the Lady Dogs lost a hard-fought battle against the T-Birds.
The football team won their third game in a row, beating state-ranked Crestview 33-20. Come out and support the Dogs tonight at 7 against the Ada Bulldogs.
Last Thursday, the golf team traveled to Paulding for the NWC tournament. They placed 6th with a team best of 357. Jacob Oglesby earned the first team all-conference. Owen Mackey got honorable mention. Monday, they traveled to Ottawa for PCL tournament. They placed 3rd with a team total of 360. Jacob Oglesby got first team while Zach Roberts got second team.
Last Saturday, the boys and girls cross-country teams traveled to Ohio Caverns. Both teams took home second place. Tomorrow, both teams travel to Botkins.
This is a demo. Sleazy on the track.
And now out to closing.
And now for some closing remarks.
Mrs. Fott's childhood development class is starting their lesson over infant care. Look out for any loose babies in the halls.
Now here's Dan and Caleb with a short segment on Project Lead.
Was switching it up. K through 12 students are participating in a character campaign called Bulldog's Lead. All 4 quarters will have a main focus point.
The first quarter will be lead by example. The second quarter will be encourage others. The third quarter will be achieve goals, and the fourth quarter will be do the right thing.
The first quarter starts out with lead by example. We asked a few students what makes a good leader.
Being able to get along with everybody and having a great attitude.
Leadership.
Accountability.
A good leader is someone who helps others out and leads by example.
Confidence.
good respect, and hard work.
Good leader is all about how you carry yourself. So if you carry yourself in a positive manner, set good examples, and behave positively, I think you're a good leader. And if you do any of that negative, then obviously not. And you can be a good leader in multiple different places as sports, school, work, or home.
Each quarter, we are also focusing on a life skill. The first quarter, we are working on showing respect by shaking hands and looking people in the eye.
Here are the do's and don'ts of a handshake.
If you have any suggestions for the homecoming dance, see Sid to get your request in.
The homecoming parade is going to be October 12th at 5:30 p.m. If you'd like to be a part of it, go to the school website and sign up.
Things for homecoming week are as follows. Monday, pajama day. Tuesday, tie-dye Tuesday. Wednesday, wacky Wednesday, dress in your favorite costume or meme. Thursday, hideout, wear your camo. And Friday, all out Grove Spirit.
The homecoming bonfire will be October 10th at the American Legion.
The financial aid will be open to all seniors starting October 1st.
Tonight the theme is pink out, but if you ordered one of the green shirts, make sure you wear that to support the cause.
And that's all for this episode.
We got the scoop.
Now you're in the loop.
Have a great day, CGHS.
I'm here with Jenna and I was like, wait, what? Are you going? I'm here with Austin.
Okay.
Action. And now for some.
I tried.
Welcome to episode 5, season 3. Season? Really? 5th edition. See, I thought it was should I have that in my fancy mouth while I'm like talking? I thought it was something.
K through 12 students are participating in a new. Okay, I said that way too fast. This year, Columbus Grove is switching it up. K through 12 students are participating in a character campaign called. Yeah, I said that right.
Quarter will be lead by example. The second quarter will be encourage others. The third quarter will be achieve goals, and the fourth quarter will be
clip.
Yeah.
And now we have to make the
It's okay. During the last time me and Brady did sports for like a minute straight, I was like,
Wait, say it again so I don't look so dumb.
okay.
How you doing, feller? I'm doing pretty good. No.
Alright. Hello, Bulldogs. It's starting to cool down, as you can see by the weather outside currently, but it's going to keep decreasing.